Alright, that is the pentax lens. I swear this other computer keeps turning itself on out here. Anyway, I gotta get the air conditioner on out here. I haven't been out here all day. So maybe Eric will know this, but it's a pentax rear converter A to X to S. Little button here. I don't know what it would go to, but it's got all the little pins on it here for like a motor. And I'm not 100% sure that this thing actually will hit that or not. I'm not sure. I guess so. So on top of it is a I don't know, is it a macro lens? SMC Pentax A zoom 28 to 80. It's a nice lens. There's possibly another part here. I'm not even sure. Okay, anyway, super happy that I got this lens. So anyway, it's a long story on the lens, but anyway, it doesn't really matter. Now, where did I put the pentax? I believe it's in the drawer. Yeah, look at that. That is awesome. Yep. Very cool.